Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video, it's a real short video just basically showing you the DPF coverage on Audi vehicles. If you do have an Audi car and you're looking to carry out a DPF regeneration, I'm going to show you which vehicles the MK808 kit by Autel actually covers. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. So if you do need to do a DPF regeneration on your Audi, then you might want to consider this tool. It's quite a comprehensive tool, in fact. But from the main menu here, we're just going to go to Service. I'm going to click on to DPF. I'm going to select Audi, which is right here. We're not actually connected to a vehicle at the moment. We don't need to be connected to the vehicle to look at the menu systems. So click on to manual selection, and we've got about 6 or 7 pages here. So these are all of the vehicles that it will cover for DPF regeneration. So if you want to take a closer look, then maybe pause the screens as I scroll through them. And there we are, back to the start. I'll just go through them again just in case you didn't get a good enough look there. But as I say, pause the screens if you are wanting a closer look at some of these pages. And there it is. It's a fantastic package. We've been using it a lot because it's such a good package, in fact. But as I say, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.